Hi, I'm Kindla with M4 Knick, and the purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to calibrate an SE655 on a Stratos Multi. First, to begin, I'm going to need to immerse my SE655 into a conductivity buffer solution. Right here, I have some 147 conductivity buffer solution. I'll put around 300 to 400 milliliters in this beaker just so that we can fully immerse the probes in it and make sure we get a solid measurement. There we go, about 300. Now, before I even start the calibration, I'm just going to go ahead and place my 655 in this, and I'm just going to let it level out. And then in the meantime, we can go to our transmitter, and you'll see all of our numbers updating here. No errors, no nothing. And we're going to enter our menu, and then enter calibration, be your first option. And then this might be on your second channel if this is ran through an input card, but you're going to select MemoSense Cond I for inductive cond. And then once you get into your calibration screen, you get a couple different options. If you would like to do an automatic calibration, we can do that, but you would need to ensure that your conductivity buffer selected matches the solution set for this calibration. The one I'm using is not in here, so I will be using a manual calibration. To start this, we're just going to press next. And then since it's already been sitting in the conductivity standard and it's leveled out, I can go ahead and move on and allow it to take the sample. And then we'll also see we're at 73.4 degrees. So that puts us at right around 161 microsiemens. So I'm going to scroll over, and now we're just going to change the red value to what our conductivity buffer is at this temperature. Pressing enter once I'm done, and then next. And then here you're going to be presented with two options. And just to clarify it, you're going to have calibrate and adjust. The difference here is a calibration is a temporary calibration and it won't save to the probe, meaning if you take the probe elsewhere after disconnecting, it won't be saved. However, if you choose adjust, this will actually save the calibration into the head of the probe itself, and it will be good to go wherever you take it. So we're going to adjust, and then we're all done. Go back to our menu, and there you are. That's how you calibrate an SE655. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us via phone or email.